Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Wednesday. So it's it's probably 1. We're out here, I'm working on the Miata and Ron's working on the Apache. You can probably hear him welding behind me. Let me bring you up to speed on what's going on in here. So Ron's welding the floor in. Looks like he's getting pretty good penetration. Getting everything kind of squared away where the door opens and shuts good. We're using our Hobart welder. If anybody's wondering what welder we have, it's the 210 MVP. It's that one. It's a Handler 210 MVP. We love it. So, gotta get you in here a little bit. So we're getting our welding in. Everything's done. So that's where we're at on the Apache at the moment. I'm out here rocking on the Miata. Got the entire driver's side front suspension torn apart. I've got the wheel well clean. I'm getting ready to undercoat that. I got the fan blowing on that. I just washed it a second ago. And I've got the coil spring over here painted aluminum and just about ready to be reassembled on the new strut. We'll go from there. So stay tuned, guys. Lots happening. We'll be back in a little bit. Thanks for watching. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Wednesday night. It's about 5:30. We stopped a little early today. My wife's off. We wanted to go to dinner, so it's kind of nice. It's been a while, but got some work done on the Apache. Let me show you what Ron got done today. So, Big Ron was working on welding this floor in, and I'm a little tight here, so you're not going to have the greatest camera view, but welding on this floor, getting it all together. We've got everything braced up correctly now and all the things, and everything's opening and shutting right and doing what it's supposed to, which is exciting. So we're really starting to get somewhere, and then you figure you got the rocker and all that stuff. We still got to finish up the back, but a lot of this is starting to get welded up now, which is huge for us. I mean, this is what we had, guys, you know? I mean, that's not okay. Terrible. So Apache's coming along. Tomorrow we're going to keep working. You know, this is, you know, the dog days where you're welding and grinding. It is what it is, but it has to be done to get it done, right? So we're still on pace, still on track for first week of February, having the cab and primer. Really ready for that. My wife actually right now is in there making up the logo for the thing. Oh no, it got pooed on. That's not okay. Gotta get that off of there. But she's making up the logo with the thing on it, so she's messing with that right now. So maybe I'll have something to show you guys later on that. Now, I had a monster day on the Miata. The entire front suspension is off. Most of it's on this table. Now, caliper brackets painted and ready to go. Calipers painted and ready to go. The new strut with the coil spring, new top hat, all the things. That's ready to be installed now. So I've got a few things left to do. I need to walk you out there and show you. So, she's starting to get pretty. Here's the completed side. I got that wheel well liner in today. Got it cleaned up and everything. So what we've got here, calipers painted, sway bar end link is in. I just got to tighten it down. But tomorrow I'm going to go in here and pour 15 the subframe anywhere I see rust, which I really don't see anything here. But we'll take this liner out, and then I'm going to clean up all the parts to get them painted, get the bushings pressed out, bushings pressed in, and start thinking about putting this thing back together. So that'll get the front done, and then I'll torque everything down on both sides, get the wheels back on it, and then we'll be messing around under the hood, and have to get a valve cover gasket, PCV valve. I'm going to paint the valve cover wrinkle red. He doesn't know that, but we're doing some things just to clean it up, do some cool things, little detail things that'll make it look better. I'm also gonna figure out how to get all this shit off the top, like mold. Get all that off somehow and clean this up, and you know, all the things. And it might come off with a wash, I don't know. So we'll figure all that out. But as soon as the front's done, we get the engine holding oil. You know, we'll start moving to the rear suspension. So we're getting somewhere. Hopefully tomorrow, driver's side looks like this. That would be amazing, or at least getting there. Some of it put in. So now something, you know, that we need to figure out still is the oil leaks and the cooling fans, why they don't run. So I need to figure all that out and get that working so that you know, this thing doesn't overheat and run out of oil. So we'll figure all that out. When I pull the valve cover off, I'll be able to see the cam seals. I don't think they're leaking. It's only got 70,000 miles on it. I do believe the cam positioning sensor might be leaking in the back, and I know I have a valve cover leak and a PCV valve leak. So I don't believe that's enough to create the amount of oil loss that I'm understanding that he has, but we'll keep working on it and figure it out. I'm not going to pull the motor. That's just not something I'm willing to do. But the you know, I might need a rear main seal, which I might do. If I do that, I'll probably put a clutch in it, honestly, for the kid. Get like an Exetti Stage 1 clutch and do that or something. I don't know. But this is where we're at, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying this. There is an entire build series that I'm doing on this car. Right now I'm on day 6 of the Miata. Now today was a step-by-step, bolt-by-bolt, in the teeth of this thing, how to remove your suspension on a Miata, okay? Every bit of it. How to use spring compressor to remove the spring off the strut, how to, we're gonna show you guys how to do the bushings, press out the bushings and press in the new ones. All those things are happening. So, and I have them on video. So stay tuned for all that if you're interested. If you have a Miata and you're like, how do I do this? Or I like what I'm seeing, how do I do it? I'm literally showing you step by step. So stay tuned for that. And I think I'm gonna go in and hang out with my wife and see what she can figure out on this logo. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate the support. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll be right back at it tomorrow. See you guys.